If you're ready to make AI your superpower, welcome. Every video gives you new tools, new tricks, and simple shortcuts to level up your workflow instantly. No fluff, no geek talk, just practical power you can use today.
Most people are still spending hours filming videos, setting up cameras, fixing lighting, re-recording lines over and over again. What if you could create studio-quality videos without a camera, without a crew, and without even being on screen? That's exactly what HeyGen, the AI video generator with digital twin avatars, is doing right now. And honestly, it's kind of insane. So imagine this. You want to create content consistently, maybe for YouTube, courses, or even your business, but every time you sit down to record, something gets in the way. You don't feel ready, you don't have time, or you just don't want to be on camera. Sound familiar? Now here's where it gets interesting. With HeyGen, you can literally type what you want to say. Pick an avatar and your video is done. I'm talking full script, voice, visuals, everything generated in minutes. And the crazy part? It actually looks like real footage, not AI. Now let's break this down with something practical. Let's say you want to create a YouTube video or a promo video. Normally you'd plan the script, film yourself, edit clips, add captions. The whole process could take hours or even days. But inside HeyGen, you just go to the AI video agent, type a prompt describing your video, and it builds everything for you. And I mean everything: scenes, script, visuals, voice, timing. It's basically like having a full video production team.
Creating content doesn't have to be complicated.
Inside one tool. And honestly, this is the part most people underestimate. It's not just fast, it actually structures your video like a real storyteller would. Now, once the video is generated, you're not stuck with it. You can jump into the editor and tweak everything: your script, your captions, your background, even the way your avatar moves. So let's say the intro feels a bit slow. You can tighten it. Or maybe you want a more energetic tone. You just adjust the delivery style. And here's where it gets really powerful. Instead of searching for backgrounds or stock footage, you can literally generate them with AI. You just describe what you want, and it appears instantly. No downloads, no editing headaches. But now we get to the part that makes HeyGen stand out from everything else: your digital twin avatar. So instead of using a random AI avatar, you can actually create a version of you. And it only takes about 15 seconds of recording. You speak naturally, move your hands, show your expressions, and HeyGen captures all of it: your voice, your movement, your personality. Then from that one clip, you can generate unlimited videos, different outfits, different environments, different languages. And it still looks like you, not a robot version, not a stiff animation, but something that actually feels real. Now think about what this means. You could record once and then create content forever without filming again. That's huge for creators, educators, or anyone building an online presence. And this is exactly why a lot of people are starting to use this for things like courses, where you don't want to re-record every lesson, marketing videos, where consistency matters, or even faceless YouTube channels if you don't want to be on camera at all. And honestly, this is where things start to scale. Now here's another feature that most people overlook: translation. Let's say you create a video in English. With HeyGen, you can translate it into over 175 languages with your own voice and perfectly synced lip movement. So instead of subtitles, it actually looks like you're speaking that language, which means your content suddenly becomes global without extra effort. And if you're building a brand or business, that's a massive advantage. Now, I want to be real with you for a second. AI video tools have existed for a while, but most of them either look robotic or they're too complicated to use. HeyGen feels different because it focuses on two things: making the output look real and keeping the process simple. You don't need editing skills. You don't need expensive gear. You don't even need to be on camera if you don't want to. And that combination is what makes it so powerful. But also, and this is important, there are safeguards built in. You can't just clone anyone. HeyGen requires verified consent before creating a digital twin, which helps prevent misuse or impersonation. So while the technology is powerful, it's also controlled. So if you zoom out for a second, what HeyGen really does is remove the biggest barrier to creating video content: time. Instead of spending hours filming and editing, you can focus on ideas, storytelling, and consistency. And that's what actually grows channels, brands, and businesses. At the end of the day, HeyGen isn't just another AI tool. It's basically a shortcut to creating content at scale without sacrificing quality. Check the link below, test it out for yourself, and let me know what you think. Because honestly, this is just the beginning.